Hey everyone, welcome to my new YouTube recording. This is me just showing you guys how to work out with a big rock. All glory to God, of course. Just letting you guys know, come zoom in on the weight. Come in close, John. As you can see, I weigh about 230 pounds. And if you follow me over here, this rock weighs about... Now I'm weighing about 335, so 105-pound rock. It's gonna teach you guys to do how to work out with a big rock like this at your house. You don't feel like going to the gym, so you just want to work out with a big rock. So a couple things you can do. It's got a nice girth like this. You can grab it, bring it up here, do it kind of like a semi-log lift. Sometimes you might need to redo that. Do a couple shoulder press. Another good one to work out your back. A couple rows. Get on the skinny side. Make sure you're getting full range of motion. Another good thing to do would be to deadlift it. Grab it, bring it up, down, up, down. What else you could do? You can also practice your log lifting / hang cleaning. It's built like a log. It's like a hang clean motion. So you want to start it right here, then pop a squat right there. You want to go up like that, then you want to go above your head, and that is a wrap. That is how you lift stones. Chest exercises with the rock. So you want to do is you want to get it propped underneath you. You want to sit back very carefully and you do a couple nice chest exercises. But be careful, if it drops on your head, you might need a visit to the emergency room. Coming close. So what you're gonna need to do is prop the stone in between your legs. That's a good spot. So be careful. And then you're gonna want to get it up. Get your two arms under it. Nice equal spot so you're getting an equal lift on both sides. Go under and then do a couple chests. Hit a couple bench presses with the stone. And remember, it's a 100-pound stone, so you don't want to drop it on your head. And always work for more repetitions and more sets per the passing day. Get a couple push-ups, do a couple more presses. And another good practice for speed and strength training, for your legs especially, since this isn't really stable to do a box jump on besides when it's 3 inches off the floor, what you can do is you can pick it up and run with it, run up those tiny hills, walk around your house with it, get creative. So you're gonna prop it up once again, you're gonna grab it, you're gonna lift it, and then you just wanna start doing some nice light exercises with it. What you can even do is you can even squat it if you really wanna practice your legs, get in shape for whatever you guys are doing. And yeah, that is about it. Everyone, and that's a wrap to the video. Just wanted to let you know that this is how you build nice, manly, chapped up arms if you're a man, woman, or even child on both sides. And a special shout out to my boy Robert for telling me to make this video.